Want to master English in just 10 minutes a day? Hi, I'm Tommy from BBC English Online. Today, we're diving into essential WH questions and how to use them effectively in conversations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these examples will help you build confidence in English conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started with today's lesson. WH, questions and answers. WH, question, who? Usage, used to ask about people. Who questions? Examples. Who is he? Who is she? Who are you? Who is calling you? Who is at the door? Who can help me? Who gave you this gift? Who did you come with? Who wants some food? Who will attend the meeting? Who questions and answers? Who is he? He's my teacher. Who is she? She is my friend. Who are you? I am a student. Who is calling you? My mother is calling. Who is at the door? It's the delivery man. Who can help me? I can help you. Who gave you this gift? My best friend did. Who did you come with? I came with my brother. Who wants some food? I want some food. Who will attend the meeting? Everyone from our team. WH, question, what? Usage, used to ask about things. What questions? Examples. What is that? What is the time? What are you doing? What is your name? What's in the box? What did you say? What are your hobbies? What should I bring? What does your friend do? What time do you go home? What questions and answers? What is that? It's a pencil. What is the time? It's 2:30 p.m. What are you doing? I am reading a book. What is your name? My name is John. What's in the box? There are some toys. What did you say? I said, let's go. What are your hobbies? I love painting and reading. What should I bring? You should bring some snacks. What does your friend do? He is a doctor. What time do you go home? I go home at 5 p.m. WH, question, when? Usage, used to ask about time. When questions, examples. When does your class start? When are you going home? When does the movie start? When is the doctor's appointment? When is your birthday? When are you free? When did you arrive? When can we meet? When will the train arrive? When are we leaving? When questions and answers. When does your class start? It starts at 3 o'clock. When are you going home? I am going home at 6 p.m. When does the movie start? It starts at 7 p.m. When is the doctor's appointment? It is tomorrow at 10 a.m. When is your birthday? My birthday is in December. When are you free? I am free this evening. When did you arrive? I arrived this morning. When can we meet? We can meet at 5 p.m. When will the train arrive? It will arrive in 10 minutes. When are we leaving? We're leaving right now. Question. Where? Usage. Used to ask about place. Where questions. Examples. Where are my books? Where is my cat? Where is my sister? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Where can I find a restaurant? Where did you leave your bag? Where do you live? Where is the nearest park? Where should I sit? Where questions and answers. Where are my books? They are on the desk. Where is my cat? Your cat is in the garden. Where is my sister? She is at school. Where are you coming from? I am coming from the park. Where are you going? I am going to the store. Where can I find a restaurant? You can find one on Main Street. Where did you leave your bag? I left it in the car. Where do you live? I live in New York. Where is the nearest park? It's 2 blocks away. Where should I sit? You can sit here. WH. Question, why? Usage. Used to ask about reason. Why questions? Examples. Why are you so happy? Why is the baby crying? Why did you change your clothes? Why are you late? Why can't you go tomorrow? Why didn't you go to school? Why do you like English? Why are you laughing? Why is this important? Why should I trust you? Why questions and answers? Why are you so happy? Because I love English class. Why is the baby crying? The baby is hungry. Why did you change your clothes? Because they were dirty. Why are you late? I missed the bus. Why can't you go tomorrow? I have an appointment. Why didn't you go to school? I was feeling sick. Why do you like English? Because it's fun to learn. Why are you laughing? Because the joke was funny. Why is this important? It helps us understand better. Why should I trust you? Because I always keep my word. WH question, how? Usage. Used to ask about the way something is done, the condition of something, or the degree of something. How examples? How was your vacation? How did it go? How are you? How tall are you? How small is the house? How do you cook pork? How long will it take? How can I help you? How far is your school? How do you solve this? How questions and answers? How was your vacation? It was great. How did it go? It went well. How are you? I am fine. How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. How small is the house? It is very small. How do you cook pork? You cook it on low heat. How long will it take? It will take 30 minutes. How can I help you? You can carry these bags. How far is your school? It's about 2 miles away. How do you solve this? You follow these steps.